Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready so you don't stall later. A business email, tax ID, payment method, and your website URL. Once done, open the CPM provider's sign-up page and pick the correct account type, individual, business, or agency, because verification differs. Enter legal details exactly as on documents, then upload a verification file or photo ID when prompted. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication now. It speeds approval and prevents account lockouts during setup. Next, you configure billing and tracking. This is the complex middle where mistakes cost time. Add your payment method and set a billing threshold or prepay balance so campaigns can run immediately. Then install the CPM tracking pixel or tag into your site header or tag manager. This enables accurate bidding and conversion attribution. Once installed, link your analytics account and define conversion events so data flows back. After linking, run test conversions and inspect network calls to confirm the pixel fires correctly. Finish by reviewing all settings before you launch: targeting, bid strategy, creatives, and pacing. Make sure your campaign defaults match your goals, manual bids for control or automated for scale, and fund the account or enable auto-replenish. Submit verification documents and wait for approval. Once approved, create a small test campaign to validate delivery. If approval or delivery stalls, check your uploaded documents, billing status, and pixel implementation, then contact support with your case ID to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.